Hello, my name is Rob Garner. I'm a computer programming instructor, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use inheritance in C Sharp. So I'm going to start a new project, and it'll be a C Sharp console application, and I'm going to call it Inheritance Demo. And I'm going to add a class to my project. And we'll call this the vehicle class. And I'm going to change my class to be a public class. Classes in C Sharp will default to the internal access modifier, so if you want it to be public, you need to specify that. And vehicles will have wheels, so we'll have an int representing the number of wheels the vehicle has. A max speed. Max cargo. And we'll put in some comments. And we'll override the string class. So now we have our vehicle class. So that's our vehicle class. The next thing we'll do is we're going to create a gas-powered vehicle class that inherits from this vehicle class. So again, I'm going to add a class. And we're going to call this gas-powered vehicle. Again, I'm going to make this class public because it defaults to internal. And we'll set some auto properties for our gas-powered vehicle. So gas vehicle has gasoline, so next we'll add MPG. And since some vehicles are two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, we'll have a property for the number of drive wheels. And perhaps we'll create some read-only properties. This one will have only a get, and it'll return drive wheels equals to wheels. And as always, we want our toString to be descriptive, so we will override the toString. So we're going to actually return the base toString method, because if we look at our vehicle class, we've overridden it, and it already provides information that we want, even in our gas-powered vehicle. But we're going to then add to that and I'm going to, if it's all-wheel drive, I wanted to add a note that it's all-wheel drive. So I'm going to use a turn-in operation here. And so if it's true, it'll display all-wheel drive. And if not, it'll just terminate. And now I'll construct my extended classes gas-powered vehicle. So what this does is we have gas-powered vehicle. We're also going to, in order to specify that, we need to put a colon and say vehicle. And what this statement up here says is gas-powered vehicle inherits from vehicle. When you do that, gas-powered vehicle will have all the properties and methods for vehicle, but will also have, in addition, it'll have these properties are associated specifically with a gas-powered vehicle. And you'll notice that this toString can call the base class's toString method, and so it'll take this toString here and add it to the one that's down here. So often within a extended class, we may call on a base strings property or method by using the base property, and it will base references the next class up in the inheritance tree. So in this case, it'll be vehicle. So let's see how we can demonstrate that this is actually working. I'm going to go to my program, and in main I'm going to instantiate a vehicle, just a generic vehicle. And we'll instantiate just using the base class constructor. And if we look at its properties, we can see that generic vehicle has wheels, a toString, max cargo, max speed, and we'll set those properties. So I'm going to set the wheels equal to 3. It's a trike. And I'll set its max cargo equal to 1,000 pounds. And let's see what we're getting from IntelliSense. Notice that because I put those comments in, when I hover over max cargo, it says maximum cargo capacity in pounds of your vehicle. And speed, it says maximum speed of your vehicle. Wheels, it says number of wheels. It's getting that actually from my XML comments here. When you put a triple slash and you have these XML tags in your comments, those now become available in your programs. So I highly recommend it to use those comments because it makes it easier for anyone using your program to see what your properties and methods are supposed to do. And think when you write those comments, think in terms of what the person will see in IntelliSense. And if I right line the toString, I will get out generic vehicle. Vehicle with 3 wheels, a max speed of 150 miles per hour, and a max cargo of 1,000 pounds. So we see our toString is working, and we're getting the toString from the vehicle class. Now suppose we instantiate a gas-powered vehicle. So I'm going to create a new gas-powered vehicle, and again I'm going to set its properties and methods, or set its properties. So if I hit dot and I hover over wheels, we can see IntelliSense shows us that wheels is number of wheels, MPG is miles per gallon, max speed is maximum speed of your vehicle, max cargo, maximum cargo capacity in pounds for your vehicle. All of that is coming from these XML comments. The other thing to notice is that we are setting wheels, max cargo, and max speed. And if I look at gas vehicle, those aren't defined in gas-powered vehicle. Where are we getting that? Well, we're getting that from the vehicle class. In the vehicle class, that's where we have wheels, max speed, and max cargo. And so, interestingly, if you look at the properties and methods available to you in gas vehicle, all of those, drive wheels, gallons of gas, max cargo, max speed, or wheels, max cargo, max speed, which come from the vehicle class, are visible in the gas vehicle object. And that's because it inherits them, and so they're available. Even though the gas vehicle is a gas-powered vehicle, it also has all the properties and methods available to vehicle. And now we'll write line. We'll display the gas vehicle's toString method, and when we run this, we'll see that the generic vehicle's information, and then we notice that from the toString we get gas vehicle with 4 wheels, max speed of 200 miles per hour, and a max cargo of 100 pounds. Also, gas-powered vehicle, gas capacity is 30 miles per gallon, 24 miles per gallon is 24, and it's all-wheel drive. So, to review, we defined a vehicle class, and then we define a gas-powered vehicle class which inherits from vehicle, but then also implements a number of additional properties and methods. We see that we call the base toString and added additional things to it. And if we look at the program, when we declared a gas-powered vehicle, we notice that when we hit the dot operator, we got all the properties and methods from the vehicle class, which included wheels, max cargo, and max speed, but also all the properties that are associated with the gas-powered vehicle class, which is MPG, and then all-wheel drive, drive wheels, and gallons of gas. This completes my demonstration. Thank you very much.